Israelites left Egypt, they arrived in the wilderness of Sinai. After breaking camp at Rephidim, they came to the wilderness of Sinai and set up camp there at the base of Mount Sinai. Then Moses climbed the mountain to appear before God.
So I've had my morning hour. And now, well, you saw I got the bed sheets going. I'm gonna start prepping coffee and make breakfast when I bring the dog and I back in. Yeah, and then at some point I'm gonna have to shower because I put oil in my hair yesterday. So that's gonna need to be washed. It's kind of grimy, but I'm probably not gonna get to that till this afternoon because I also want to get the deep cleaning done in the office today, and I might as well get that done before I shower because I'll be sweating. So let me get coffee set up, and then I'm gonna take the dog out, and then we'll come back and make breakfast.
have a choice. I won't give you the answer. You figure it out and you tell me. But here's the account. I'll just read the scripture and preach from the scripture. Verse 1, Rehoboam went to Shechem, where all Israel had gathered to make him king. At that point, this is important, when Jeroboam, son of Nebat, heard this, he returned to Egypt, for he had fled to Egypt to escape from King Solomon, and the leaders of Israel...
Okay, so church is over. I'm gonna take the dog outside and call my mom and then probably heat up some lunch, and then we'll get started on the deep clean of the office. Probably it's a little over an hour later, but we are gonna go into the office and do the deep clean. As I'm sure you hopefully still remember, one of my goals for this year was to make sure that I did a deep clean of a single room every month, and that should get me through each room twice a year, doing like baseboards, crown molding, ceiling fans, blinds, that kind of stuff. I don't imagine this room will take too long. I mean, it's not like it's that bad. The only area might be this chair area where I do have all my cleaning stuff out, like back in behind. I know there's a tub back in that corner that is, quite frankly, probably gonna go a lot of the stuff in there because it's blankets and things that I don't need. They're like for my dorm room, which was years ago. So like I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna grab a trash bag. I almost forgot, so I can put that in it so I can donate. And obviously under furniture sometimes there will be dead bugs, dust, crap like that that I'm gonna need to vacuum up. I might even stand up the treadmill and vacuum underneath it because it's been a while since I've done that. So I am not going to be like super artistic with this filming. I'm just going to set the camera up, show you what I'm doing, and get it done. And probably do a section at a time. Once I'm all done and I vacuum the floors, I will run the Swiffer mop through here to get any grime off the floor as well. So let's get started on that.
So far away. Last night was one big holiday. Cool winds on me out by the shade. Put my weekend on layaway. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. So
All right, the office is clean, and that took me about an hour, I would say, a little over an hour. I'm glad I got it done. I like to try and knock out the deep cleaning at the beginning of the month. That way I have time to dispose of the donations that I'm gonna have, which surprisingly I had more comforters back there than I thought. I was not planning on that. But we're gonna donate them because I'm trying to get rid of anything I'm not using because it's pointless to hold on to it. Honestly, I think that's all for right now. I'm very sweaty. I'm gonna take the dog outside and then probably get my shower out of the way so I can do the load of laundry I normally do on Sunday. Oh, and you saw me light that candle. That one is the best, and I hate that they don't sell it, and I'm so glad I bought multiples of it last year. It's Paris Cafe. It literally makes the whole house smell like a coffee shop. It is like the perfect scent.
No way to change, no way to change our yesterday.
Freshly showered. I'm gonna just chill and watch some TV for a little bit, and then we'll see what if we do anything else.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light, even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light, even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, babe.
I'm going to go eat this dinner while it's hot, but this is where I'm going to wrap this Sunday vlog up. I probably would have done more, but I won't lie, the deep clean of the office really kind of took the energy right out of me. Between the up, down, moving furniture, like my body's a little bit sore today, but I'm thankful the office is clean. So I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.
And all these broken